Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, Jan's Crazy Life. So this journal is for me. This is the one I got. No, I'm just kidding. It's going to Sparkling Shark. This is Patricia Hagan's journal, and she sent me this beautiful card. It says thank you. It says, Jan, thank you so much for hosting the swap. It has been a challenge for me, for sure, but really had a lot of fun with it. I have learned so much from you and will forever be grateful for all the time you take out of your already busy day to come on YouTube and to teach us all kinds of things. Thank you for being you and for keeping it real. Your friend Patricia Hagan. Your kindness is special as you are. Oh, it's so sweet. So look how gorgeous this is, guys. Like, the way that she placed the fabric, and like, it's so good. So she has like this closure holding the whole book, but she does have closures here. And then she's got this huge paper clip that has this beautiful tassel hanging from it. It's so pretty and so creative. Like, do you see that? All right, look at the buckle on here and the buckle on the back. Adorbs. All right, so let's get into this beautiful journal. Char, I'm gonna have to send you something else. I gotta keep this one. No, I'm just kidding. All right, look how cute. What a cute idea. I'm probably gonna swipe this, especially at my Christmas one. So look at this spider, and she like mounted it where it moves. These two, well, it's like mounted. Beautiful job. Wow, look how good this is. There's these beautiful tags. And she's got beautiful paper and got goodies. Oh, look. She sent a whole like bag of enamel. And then she's got these cute they're pumpkins where she has, look at this, guys. How creative was that? To take pumpkins and laminate them and make them a tab, so when you pull it out, that is creative. Look how pretty this page is with these enamels. So this is a tuck spot. This is a pocket with this little Halloween book in it. So adorable. So there's a side pocket with these beautiful ephemera pieces. Look how pretty this is. This house, and it is a tuck spot. Look, it's a tuck spot pocket back here. I'm gonna leave that there. So there is another journaling spot, and she made huge ones. So nice. I'll put that back in. So she put the pages, she put a bunch of them on here to journal. There is a bag. It says, eat, drink, and be scary. And I want to stick my hand in here without messing anything up. She has another one of these cute, adorable little books. I'm like twisting and turning. So there's a belly band. I love this. With that house. This paper, and the back is gorgeous. There is more places to journal, and I love that you put so much paper in there. That was super generous. This idea is amazing. I love that. And then look at this. Oh, this is pretty. I love this paper. You did a really good job with the washi too. The washi is so good. She left this one, which I totally understand why you left it. This page is amazing. And then there is another journaling. And look, how smart is that? It's a file folder that inks up and have the whole place to journal. That's smart with the file folder. There's a belly band with these amazing tags. Look at this jack-o'-lantern, and I love these enamel dots. Hocus Pocus bag, and in here, oh, she stamped out a bunch of images. Wow, that is super awesome. Nice, and I love the stars that you put on here. Look at the star in the hand. Look at this one. It's all dimensional. And then she's got a waterfall of paper. Love that. Great job, Patricia. You're like, it's so good. So in here, she's got a bunch of spiders that she cut apart. Oh, look, she sent some more of the pumpkins and that you could use. And then this little bitty book, I'm gonna stick back in there. Glitter bats. She has a bookmark here. And I know there's another bookmark. Let's see. We'll put that one there. Look how cool this is. It's so dimensional. So this is mounted up. This one is, it says family. That's cute. She's got another one of these and it opens up. They probably all did and I just missed it. So cool. I love this book. So then, oh, look how cool this is. Scream, yikes. I love this page. So cute. So guys, if y'all want in the Christmas book to decorate the paper like this Christmas, I'm okay with that. So there's a side pocket with tags. Shh, baby, I'm recording a video. And then there's another one in here of the file folders that she inked up all the edge. Side pocket. There is a pocket down here. It says Halloween. Oh, look, this is like a multi-layered pocket. So she's got, and look how pretty, big old lock your windows, bolt your doors, monster season here once more. That's cute. So there's that one, and there's also the pocket down here where she made these amazing tags. And it says Halloween, love the rickrack. I love how it kind of got a vintage feel, but it's not vintage and has like a lot of bright colors. Love this paper. So cute. These are amazing. So there is all of these. I love, she put glitter. Can y'all see that? I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up. There is a bag back here. Love the rickrack. And she put some little journaling cards. You did an amazing job. Amazing. And then there's another one of these. The ghost cats. She left the story in here. That was smart. So there's a text spot down here and here. October 31st, Halloween ink. So cute. And then look, I love this. Oh, look at this. Handmade by Patricia. Wow, Patricia, you did an amazing job. Char's really lucky, so this will be going out to Char. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Patricia does do videos, so go check out her channel, show support. She just started. She's new on YouTube. And sub to her. And I will have her channel linked below and above us. So don't forget to check out Patricia's channel. And thank you so much for watching, ladies. Subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Don't forget, go sign up for the Christmas swap if you're not. Bye, guys.
Yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in and out.